How's it going, guys? Today I wanted to go over a day one update of the Hexblast Trapper. So far we ended up just transitioning into Hexblast just recently, within maybe the last 5 levels or so. I ended up pushing pretty far on just poisonous concoction because it was feeling a lot better until we were able to really get the curse on hit set up in place. It was really important to ensure that we got some curse on hit gloves. These ended up being 15 chaos. I was able to buy a corrupted chest that was it was like 4 or 5 reds. So I was able to purchase it for 15 chaos, and then I just re-rolled it using Vols in order to get the colors back to what I needed them to be. I had a couple different options for the colors. It could have been 4 green, 2 blue, or 4 green, like blue, red, so I was able to make it work either way for the build. Preferably this life tab would be Unbound Ailments, but for leveling it's completely fine, and life tap is honestly kind of preferred before we have EB as well. Since item is going to be pretty expensive, it's going to be something we're most likely going to have to self-farm. One of the things that I was noticing with a lot of the rares that we had is that there's a lot of chaos damage going on, so I ended up picking up the chaos damage wheel early on, taking some extra res just to help with the early gearing phase. You notice the defenses I have here, a little short on fire res. I think I swapped something last night right before I went to sleep and I wasn't paying attention, but you see we're res kept on everything, including chaos, so the build's in a pretty good place. We're at 100% suppression as well. The only piece of gear that has suppression on it is this helmet, but that's all you need. If you just pick up the rest of the suppression wheels around you, including going over here to quick step. Other than that, we made it to about T10 maps. We've not made it into any reds yet, but we just got started on the tier 10, so we still haven't found a Uber Guardian trial yet. So that's going to be the next step, is buying a hunter ring. We are going to craft that to get our despair on hit, so that we no longer have to use a witchfire brew, as it's just going to be a bit better to have the curse on hit set up rather than having to rely on the flask itself and having to shield charge in. So that's where we are. Next update will be tomorrow, and we'll see how far we've pushed it on Hexblast alone outside of the Peacock starter. See you in the next one.
and at source!
Boredom. Entropy.
Your heart is